You feel lost in life, maybe even stuck in a loop, and you can't seem to see any changes or feel any changes. You don't even know where you want to go, and every day seems like a battle, a never ending one. You have developed bad habits and coping mechanisms that don't allow you to move forward in your life. But this changes now if you implement what I'm about to tell you. Now, the reason why you feel stuck in life and why you are stuck in life is because you haven't faced the things you need to face. You have been running away from things you know you need to change or face. Whether it be something in the past, like trauma, guilt you're still holding on to, or something that happened in the past, or even something in the present, a difficult situation that you're facing right now, or even something in the future might be bothering you. So now you're worried and have anxiety. Now, how to overcome all these things is to face them. Face the things that hold you back. Face them voluntarily, so those certain things no longer have the power over you and no longer control your life. I have a 3-step process you can use to confront those certain things and to overcome them. Step 1 is introspection. Look inward into yourself and understand why you feel the way you feel. Now, understanding is key. Actually, it's the foundation, because how do you expect the change you need or want to happen if you don't know what needs to be changed? Know exactly what is holding you back and what you need to work on. Something that can help with this is talking with other people. And okay, you might not want to do that, but find someone you trust and talk with them, because it's good to see their perspectives and thought processes. See how it differs with yours and where you can learn from and what you can work on. This way you can reach a solution easier because you're no longer stuck in your own head. And everyone has had their own experiences which shape their perspectives and their thought processes. After doing this first step, you can move to the second step, which is journaling. Now, this isn't necessary, but this can be really helpful because it allows you to organize your thoughts and gain clarity. This way, you will be able to make more sense of your thoughts and you will start to understand your own thought processes. Plus, it's good to vent. Journaling is good to vent. It's like telling it to someone you trust, but they can't tell it to anyone else. Then the third and final step is take action. Once you understand what's holding you back, you can start to think about the steps you need to take to overcome those things. Then you can take the first necessary steps towards your desired future, disregarding your fears. And let's say you're scared to start something. Maybe you struggle with fear of judgment, fear of failure, and fear of wasting your time. I have struggled with these things myself, and what worked for me is just starting. Push through your fears, and your brain might come up with the idea, oh, but I need to have it all figured out before I start. No, you don't need to have it all figured out. You can learn along the way. So, what I have to say to this is stop overthinking and start doing. Because, be honest, you're not gonna get anywhere with just staying locked inside of your head. This third step requires you to stop doing the habits that hold you back and keep you stuck in this loop, and start doing the habits that move you towards a life you desire. This 3-step process helped me overcome the things that held me back. If you watched until this point, thank you. And now it's time for you to overcome the things that are holding you back and to progress in life. Let us know in the comments what you're going to work on. Until the next video.